Welcome to Indian Hollywood Fan, and today we are going to break down episode 6 of WandaVision. So, before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, like and share the videos. और इस एपिसोड में हम बहुत स्पॉयलर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे इस एपिसोड के लिए. सो अगर आपने ये एपिसोड नहीं देखा है तो वॉच द एपिसोड फर्स्ट एंड देन वॉच दिस वीडियो. सो 50s 60s 70s और 80s के बाद ये एपिसोड 90s के सिटकॉम्स के बारे में है. एंड it has a similar opening intro of the American 90s sitcoms. And obviously, with Evan Peters, Pietro Maximoff becoming a part of the show since the last episode, he is very prominent in this episode. And he also appears in the intro as Pietro Maximoff as himself. And we see Billy breaking the fourth wall and talking to the audiences about the current state of their house and how their parents are behaving and all that stuff. That's pretty much what sitcoms used to be, in the early 2000s and in the late 90s. I think that's what the show is following at the moment. And obviously this episode is about Halloween. So हर कोई कैरेक्टर अपने अपने कॉमिक बुक एक्यूरेट कॉस्ट्यूम में दिखता है. Wanda looks pretty much the same as Scarlet Witch from the comics. So is Vision, and as well as Pietro Maximoff, who looks exactly like the comic book Quicksilver, as well as Billy, who looks like Wiccan. Although Tommy doesn't exactly look like his comic book counterpart Speed, because he wears pretty much the same costume as Quicksilver's, of Pietro's. But that's pretty close to how exactly they would look as young Avengers in the comics. As Wanda and Pietro are talking about their childhood, it seems like they have different memories of their childhood. I think that's because this Pietro is from a different universe, and he, along with his sister Wanda, they had a different upbringing, whereas Elizabeth Olsen's Wanda has a different upbringing with Aaron Taylor Johnson's Quicksilver. So I think that's one of the reasons why they have very different memories. Or maybe it's because of this reality dome that Wanda cannot remember exactly what's going on with her life or her past. एंड देन विजन उसकी फैमिली को हेलोवीन के लिए ज्वाइन नहीं करता. इंस्टेड ही डिसाइड्स टू गो एंड चेक आउट व्हाट्स आउटसाइड ऑफ वेस्ट व्यू and how he can help the people of Westview who are in grave danger because of Wanda and her hex powers. Well, there's some politics going on outside of Westview with SWORD, where Hayward fires Monica Rambeau, Darcy, and Jimmy Woo, and the trio then try to hack into Hayward's program, and so that they would still know what's going on with Hayward, and they understand that now Hayward can be able to track the people inside of Westview. So Hayward also references about Captain Marvel to Monica Rambeau. So that was one of the cool references which we got to get in this episode. So there's some confusion going with Pietro and Wanda. Like, as I said, they have different memories, they talk about their accents, and also we get another horrifying scene with Pietro, who turns out to be dead, the same way as the Vision was in episode 4. So that kind of confirms that this is still the MCU version, which was killed by Ultron, which was played by Aaron Taylor Johnson, but he just has a different face, maybe because sitcoms they tend to recast actors, so they just this is just that kind of a thing, I guess. And then obviously the ending is just crazy. Vision gets out of the hex, and then the SWORD members, they see him coming out, and once he just gets out of the hex, he disintegrates and he's just dead, and we know that. And then Wanda just expands the hex, her anomaly, and Darcy also comes inside of it. So yeah, it was a crazy episode. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.